of second degree equations. Today I am discussing problems in page number 97. Look at the third question. What number added to 1 gives its own square? We don't know the number, so we took the number to be equal to x. Look at the question. Number added to 1. So we have taken the number as x, so we can write x plus 1 is equal to the square of this number is equal to x square. Now using this we can write a second degree equation and then find the solutions of the second degree equation. In the next step, let us keep x square on the same side and let us take xn plus 1 to the other side of the equal to sign, so that you get x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we are going to use our formula to find the solutions. Here we can understand a value is equal to 1, coefficient of x square. B value is equal to minus 1, coefficient of x. And what is our C value? Minus 1. Now let us substitute A, B, C in our formula. X is equal to minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC whole thing divided by 2A. That is minus B value. B value is minus 1 plus or minus root of B square. We get minus 1 the whole square minus 4 into A into C. So you get 1 into minus 1 whole thing divided by 2 into A value is 1. That is x is equal to minus of minus 1 gives you plus 1. So you get 1 plus or minus root of, here you get minus 1 the whole square is equal to 1. 1 plus 4 gives you root 5 divided by 2. So what are the two numbers? We can say the two numbers are, by taking the plus sign you get 1 plus root 5 by 2, and if you consider the negative sign you get the answer as 1 minus root 5 by 2. So these are the two solutions to our question. Look at the fourth question. In writing the equation to construct a rectangle of specified perimeter and area, the perimeter was wrongly written as 24 instead of 42. The length of a side was then computed as 10 meter. What is the area in the problem? What are the length of sides of the rectangle in the correct problem? It's a bit lengthy question. Understand the question carefully. We are given perimeter is written as 24. So let us use this 24 first of all to write perimeter. 2 into L plus B is given to be equal to 24. From this we can write L plus B is equal to 24 by 2, which is equal to 12. Now we are given length is computed as 10 meter. Let us substitute length as 10 in this problem. So you get 10 plus B is equal to 12, from which you get breadth is equal to 12 minus 10, which is equal to 2 meter. Now if length is 10 and breadth is 2, we can calculate area as, we know the formula, area is equal to length into breadth, which gives you 10 into 2, that is equal to 20 square meter. Now come to the original question. We have to take the perimeter as 42. So let us consider perimeter to be equal to 42 now. So here 2 into L plus B is equal to 42. In that case we get L plus B is equal to 42 by 2, which is equal to 21. L plus B is equal to 21. So we can write breadth is equal to 21 minus L. Now let us write a second degree equation by connecting length, breadth and this area. We know length into breadth is equal to area. Length is L, breadth is 21 minus L is equal to area is equal to 20. Now let us multiply 21 with L. We get 21L minus L square is equal to 20. Now we know our first term should be always a positive number. So let us take minus L square and 21L to the other side of the equation. So that we get L square minus L square becomes plus L square when taken to the other side. 21L becomes minus 21L plus 20 equated to 0. Now let us use our second degree formula. X is equal to minus B. For us, minus B is minus of 21 plus or minus root of B square. B square is minus 21 the whole square. You get 441 minus 4AC. 4 into 1 into 20 gives you 80. Whole thing divided by 2A. 2 into A value is 1. Okay. That is minus of minus is plus. Plus or minus root of 441 minus 80 gives you 361. Whole thing divided by 2. We know square root of 361 is 19. So we get two solutions, that is x is equal to 21 plus 19 by 2, and also you get x is equal to 21 minus 19 by 2. 21 plus 19 gives you 40. 40 by 2 is equal to 20. And here you get 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. So what are the sides of the rectangle in the correct problem? We can say the length of sides in the correct problem is 20 and 1. Length is equal to 20 and breadth is equal to 1. Look at the last question in this exercise, children. In copying a second degree equation to solve it, the term without x was written as 24 instead of minus 24. The answers found were 4 and 6. What are the answers of the correct problem? Now, using these two solutions, we had to write the second degree equation. Do you understand? First of all, let us write the second degree equation. You know, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is the general form of a second degree equation. Now we are given the term without x, that is the last term, was written as 24 instead of minus 24. So we can write this equation as ax square plus bx plus 24 equal to 0. Now use these two values x and 4. We are given x is equal to 4 to be a solution and x is equal to 6 to be a solution. If x is equal to 4 is a solution, we can write x minus 4 to be equal to 0. Also, since x is equal to 6, we can write x minus 6 to be also equal to 0. Now, by multiplying these two first degree polynomials, you will be able to write the second degree equation. Okay. Now let us multiply x with x. You get x square minus 4 into x gives you minus 4x, minus 6 into x gives you minus 6x, minus into minus gives you plus 24 equal to 0. Now we can write this equation as x square minus 10x plus 24 equal to 0. Now we got the value of a and b. Now let us write minus 24 instead of 24 because that is our correct equation. So you will be able to write x square minus 10x minus 24 is equal to 0. Now using this, let us find the solution. We can write x is equal to minus b. For us, b is minus 10. So you get minus b plus or minus root of b square value. B square is minus 10 the whole square minus 4 into a value is 1, c value is minus 24 whole thing divided by 2 into a value is 1. Okay. Now this is equal to minus of minus gives you plus. So you get 10 plus or minus root of minus 10 the whole square gives you 100. So you get 100 plus 4 into 24 gives you 96 whole thing divided by 2. That is x is equal to 10 plus or minus root of 100 plus 96 gives you 196. Square root of 196 is 14. So you get 10 plus or minus 14 whole thing divided by 2. So here again we get two solutions. Either x is equal to 10 plus 14 by 2, that is 24 by 2 equal to 12, or otherwise x is equal to 10 minus 14 by 2, which gives you minus 4 by 2, which is equal to minus 2. So our question is, what are the answers of the correct problem? The answers of the correct problem are 12 and minus 2. Is it clear to you? Our second degree equations is over. The next chapter we will start in our next class. Thank you.